One of the most slept on features in GoHighLevel is the QR code generator. I've got QR codes on my business cards. Even my dad, who's a chauffeur, has them on his vehicle. It's the easiest way to collect reviews and promote your business. Let me show you how to make them. Make sure you're inside of a sub account, then head down to sites, and then you're gonna go all the way to the side and you are gonna see QR codes right over here. Press that. And then here's where you're gonna have the ability to create QR codes. It has all the benefits here. Press this blue button, create QR code. So here it's asking you where someone should get taken once they scan your QR code. You can take them to your Google reviews to write a review or a phone call or send over a payment. So there's so many possibilities that you can do when someone scans your QR code. I'm gonna go with one of the most popular use cases. We're gonna go with a Google review link. So I named it right over here. I'll press review link and then I will go ahead and press next. And then here is where you can input either a Facebook or Google URL that takes them to your review. So I'll show you how to get it from Google. So make sure you're logged in as an admin to your Google business profile. Then just press right over here, ask for review. And here's where you're going to get the link and you just copy that right over here and then head over to your Google URL and press paste. Here's where you can write a little header on top of your QR code and you can change the font. So our font's Open Sans. You can change the text color, but honestly with QR codes, I like to keep it really basic. You can add a logo. I didn't like the way it looked, so I'm going to take it off right over here. You can add your company name below. Just take this all off, honestly. Trust me, just keep it nice and simple. Once you're satisfied, just go over here and press next. And then here's where you're going to see a preview of the QR code. So I can scan this right over here and it will be taking me to my Google review link. So you can actually make sure it works. Here's where you can have more customization. So again, you can change the colors of everything. So if I change like the background color or if I change like the dots color, as you can see, it will change the actual color on the QR code. So you can brand it technically. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and do that. You can scroll down and you can add a logo inside the QR code. So if I wanted to add, let's say the Google review, all I do is press over here and it'll show the logo. So I think this is pretty nice. I mean, obviously you can't see it because of the colors, but so if you want to show people exactly what they're going to be taken to prior to being taken there, this is a great way to build trust. Once you're happy with everything, you can download it either as a PNG, SVG, or PDF. PDF is great if you want it on business cards. So we're going to go ahead and press that. And then you can download it from here or you can save and then download it. So that's what I'll do. Just go ahead and press save. Now I have the QR code saved. And if I wanted to check the analytics, all I do is come over here and press this analytic button. And here I can see how many times someone has scanned. So this is going to give you, invaluable data. To me, QR codes are like the hidden gem of GoHighLevel. Make sure to check them out and follow for more GoHighLevel tips.